made it clear that for 2026, I am running for the President of the Republic of Uganda.
UPC Party President Jimmy Akena to field candidates in all political positions.
Interest in taking over my seat, and they will go through a process, and whoever wins, I will support to be able to hold that seat in the name of UPC. But in my case, I've done my 4 terms as Member of Parliament. I'm now going to challenge for the highest office.
The party president of Uganda People's Congress, Jimmy James Michael Akena, has pledged to field candidates for all elective positions in the 2026 general elections, aiming to challenge the ruling NRM. Speaking at the UPC party headquarters in Uganda House, Kampala, Akena informed the press that there has been significant interest in his position from individuals in Lira City East Division, as he prepares to run for the presidency of Uganda. Akena criticized the NRM for attempting to undermine his motorcycle loan initiative, through which he has been distributing motorcycles to bodaboda riders in Lira City via the Lira United Motorcycle Association, Lumber. He also took aim at the Minister of Internal Affairs, Major General Kahinda Otafari, who recently visited Lira City. Otafari allegedly undermined the UPC during an event where the Minister of Health and Lira City woman MP, Dr. Jane Artsing, was installed as patron of Lumber. Akena explained that he had started the motorcycle loan initiative back in 2011 to support bodaboda riders. The meeting turned to criticize Minister of Gender's intention to contest against Dr. Artsing in Lira City woman MP seat. Akena reiterated that UPC is fully prepared to contest in all electoral positions against the NRM in the upcoming 2026 elections.
So, Otafari's attack, I felt, was very misplaced. It was wrong, and it misses the point. Much as that event was supposed to now crown somebody as a patron of this organization, the so-called patron does not want to carry the debt or the liabilities of Lumba. I have gone through a difficult period where efforts are made to prevent people from paying loans. And my cry has been, even if you're fighting Akena, please, you go ahead and fight Akena. But do not destroy a young Ugandan's future by destroying their credit. You destroy their credit, wherever they go in Uganda, they're still going to have to meet credit at some point. They'll need a loan at some point. Don't destroy the people. Now, the big question is now, am I crying over spilled milk? Definitely not. But the challenge is here that if Akena can bridge a gap between a government bank, namely Post Bank, and a need in the society, which was the bodaboda, and through that 7,000 bodabodas come, then NRM with all its officials are busy fighting Akena to stop this program. Who are they fighting for? My cry is the people of Uganda are being exploited. I have demonstrated clearly that government has the tools. It's just the will to be able to serve the people of Uganda.
Show us your record. You do I write you. Show us your record. Yeah, I'm calling you one name. Compare it with the record of Jane. Yeah, don't pour back and make a Dr. Cheng. For a beginner, Jane has exceeded expectations. I remember my parliament, I put you here, man, would you take I've been in parliament for almost 40 years. And then I wouldn't have been in parliament, could I've not achieved what Jane has achieved in
Akena also called for sufficient time to be allocated for the ongoing voter update exercise.
And this issue, I don't want to leave it here because we're going into election, and now the EC wants to cut the registration in February. I have mentioned, I have a daughter who is going to become 18 in August. Effectively, the EC said that this 18-year-old who by law can even contest for the presidency of Uganda participate in this election.
Thank you for watching News Today on Lango News Channel.
Thank you for watching Lango News Channel. Please subscribe for more updates.
Langho News Channel. Credible.